In this video, I'll guide you through how to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. Recurring tasks are perfect for anything you need to remember on a regular basis, like weekly reports, monthly billing, or daily check-ins. Instead of recreating the same task over and over, you can set it up once and let ClickUp handle the rest. Let's start with the very first thing you need to do, opening the task you want to make recurring. Go into your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the space, folder, or list where your task lives. This could be in list view, board view, or any other view you prefer. Find the task you want to turn into a recurring task and click on its name. That will open the task details panel, usually on the right side of your screen or in a pop-up window, depending on your layout. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right task, especially if you have similar names, because the recurring settings will apply to this specific task. Next, you'll need to access the date picker. Inside the task, look for the due date area. This is typically near the top of the task window, close to the task title and assignee. If there's already a due date set, you'll see it displayed there. If not, you may see an option like Set Due Date. Click on this to open the date picker. This date picker is where you select the main due date for your task, and it's also where you'll find the options to make it repeat. Once the date picker or date modal is open, look toward the bottom left corner. You should see an option labeled Set Recurring. Click on that. This is the key step that turns your regular task into a recurring one. If you don't see it right away, make sure the modal is fully expanded and that you're actually in the due date section, not the start date or some other field. After you click Set Recurring, ClickUp will open a recurrent settings panel with several pattern options. Now it's time to configure your recurrence pattern. This is where you tell ClickUp how often the task should repeat. You'll see choices like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. If you pick daily, the task will repeat every day based on the schedule you set. This is ideal for habits or quick checklists you want to complete each day. For weekly, you can choose specific days of the week, like every Monday, or several days, such as Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is great for team meetings or recurring reviews. Monthly allows you to repeat the task on a specific date each month, like the 1st or the 15th, which is useful for invoices or monthly reports. Yearly is perfect for annual reminders, such as renewals, anniversaries, or yearly planning tasks. If none of the standard patterns fit what you need, choose custom. The custom option gives you more control, letting you fine-tune how often the task repeats, such as every 2 weeks, every 3 months, or other more specific intervals. Once you've selected the pattern that best fits your workflow, review the settings to make sure they match how often you actually want this task to come back. When you're satisfied, confirm or save your recurrence settings in the modal, then close the task. That's all it takes. By opening your task, using the date picker, enabling recurrence, and choosing the right pattern, you've turned a one-time task into an automated recurring reminder in ClickUp.